wow, look what we have here. Oh my god. Yep, donut chicken sandwich, baby, from KFC. I was literally talking about my mom about the KFC chicken sandwich, and then when I go to sleep and I wake up at the house, she actually got it. So, guys, so where am I? So we got the KFC drink, Coca-Cola, got some fries. And now last, we got the donut chicken sandwich. I put a plate over it because some Lay's was coming out, and yeah. I already see a lot of people have been eating this stuff. First of all, look at these fries. Like, dang, these fries big as heck. But here we go. Have to get the donut chicken sandwich now. Okay, these fries too big, and I'm trying to move them out the way. Matter of fact, big, but they still taste good. All right. You know, donut chicken sandwich. So I'm about to see how it. Alright, almost got it out. Alright, my hands are gonna get a little messy. Okay. Oh, there. Alright guys, so here it is. Donut chicken sandwich. Let's take a bite out of it. Oh yeah. I know my mouth's not too big for this, but hold on. Oh my god. This glaze is amazing. What? Out of 10. I love this. Dang, this actually tastes good. I know a lot of people say it's crazy, 2 donuts on a chicken, but to me, this is good. Alright, yeah. Oh my, that's a little sticky. But yeah, guys, that was the donut chicken sandwich. Alright. Might get my iPad a little sticky. So yeah, that was the donut chicken sandwich. If you guys went to KFC, if you guys had this, let me know your thoughts about this in the comments. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video soon. Alright, well, that was my review over it. Wait, before I end it, here's what's about the glaze. I mean, it's a little too much, but it still tastes good. Chicken, perfect. And then the 2 donuts taste soft, because you know I like donuts and chicken. Those fries, too big, but good. Like, look at the glaze. Like, I don't know, the glaze is kind of melty at the bottom when we got it. But overall, it tastes really fantastic. Anyways, I'm gonna get back into this. Alright, so mostly when I go to Pies, I eat the chicken sandwiches. Now since it's 2020, they already made donut chicken sandwiches. But yeah, basically I like KFC and Pies both. Let me know in the comments, do you like KFC or Pies, or do you like both of them? Because basically I like both. And let me know your reviews over the donut chicken sandwich. And yeah, I'm about to get back to eating it, and I'll see y'all, and bye.